If you have some seafood and scallions, you can make this Korean pancake in just 15 minutes. Cut the scallions into long pieces. For seafood, I'm using king prawns and giant squid. Feel free to use whatever seafood you like. Chop the prawns into small pieces and add them to a bowl. Add the same amount of squid. Season with sea salt and black pepper. Mix well and set aside. Slice the red pepper on a bias. Now let's make the batter. Add flour, starch, and water. Sea salt, black pepper. Mix until it reaches a yogurt-like consistency. And that's everything. Oh wait, almost. Add 1 egg and give it a quick mix. Heat a pan over medium heat and add some oil. Swirl the pan to coat it evenly. Dip the scallions into the batter. Then lay them flat in the pan. Do the same with the seafood, placing it evenly between the scallions. Pour the egg mixture over the top. Then add the red pepper slices. Save a few for the dipping sauce later. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip it using a lid or plate. If it breaks, don't worry, just patch it up with a bit of butter. Drizzle a little oil around the edges. Gently press everything down so it sticks to the pan and cook for another 3 minutes. While that cooks, let's make a quick dipping sauce. Finely chop some onion. Add it to a dipping dish with the reserved red pepper. Add soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, a little sugar, and some water. Finish with a pinch of sesame seeds, then mix well. Cut the pancake into pieces and serve. So easy, right? Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick meals under 30 minutes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.